everyone, I'm Chef Christy and I'm so glad that you're watching today. As you can see, I have two very special guests with me, my mother and my daughter. And since Mother's Day is coming up, I thought I would have them come over for a nice and delicious lunch. So what we're going to have is a honey and garlic salmon with a strawberry and spinach salad. Does that sound good to you all?
Very good. Sounds wonderful.
All right, so we want to show you how to make it. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we want to season this really, really well. So Sierra, you take some, just sprinkle some salt there. That's good. And Mom, you can just sprinkle some pepper all over the fish. Yes, you want to season very, very good. All right, sprinkle some pepper, and then we're going to, we're gonna make a, is it not wanting to come out? All right. Okay, so we want to just make sure that our fish is really good and seasoned. I'm just gonna, okay. All right, and then I'm gonna put this in a cast iron skillet in just a second. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is I've got a half of a stick of butter and I'm just going to melt this, and I'm gonna let this cook for just a little bit until it gets a nice brown nutty color. Okay, so my butter is melted, but I'm going to make a brown butter. So that's just going to cook just a little bit until it gets a nice nutty color. Okay, I'm not sure you can see it, but it's starting to change color. And as soon as you see it turn brown, that is when you know that it's ready. If you let it go too far, it'll burn. So now I'm adding 2 tablespoons, or 2 cloves of garlic that's minced. And then I'm going to squeeze the juice of a lemon. All right, and then I'm going to add about 2 or 3 tablespoons of honey. All right, so this is going to be the delicious glaze that we're going to cook our fish in. And that was salted butter too, by the way. All right. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my salmon in this sauce. And this does have the skin on it, and that's okay. That actually keeps your salmon moister. And then what I'm going to do is I want to make sure that I coat this salmon with this sauce. So put your salmon in here and then just pour this delicious glaze over your salmon. All right. Is that looking good to you guys?
Oh, yeah.
Good. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this in my oven under the broiler for about 15 minutes. Okay, while our salmon is in the oven cooking, I'm going to do a quick vinaigrette for our salad. And I have this is a Blackberry ginger balsamic vinegar. You can use any vinegar, but I choose to use this one because it is so good. So we've got 1/4 of a cup of this, if I can get this lid off. And it's really nice to have these dressing shakers. That's what this is. So I'm just going to do 1/4 of a cup of vinegar, and then I'm getting this on me, and then 1/2 cup of olive oil, and this is super easy. All right, and then just a couple, maybe about 1/4 of a cup or so of honey. And then what I'm going to do is put the lid on and then just shake, shake, shake. And this is our dressing. Okay. All right. I just shook my balsamic vinegar and it's not very sweet. So I know I'm eyeballing this. I know that. I understand I don't have exact measurements, but I'll try to do the best I can in the description box. But just added some more honey and I'm just going to shake it again. And then I'm going to taste it and see. I know. I'm eyeballing this. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I have my spinach in this bowl, and I'm going to take this delicious balsamic dressing. Mom, you want to take those tongs, and I'm going to pour this if you don't care to toss it as I pour it. Well, maybe. Just toss the spinach. There we go. And then I'm going to add some pecans to our salad. I think I might need to put a little bit more. All right. And some strawberries. Woohoo! Oh, you're doing such a great job tossing the salad. Oh. All right. We like a lot of strawberries, don't we?
Yeah.
Let's just do that. Okay. Do you think I need more dressing, or you think that's good?
That's good.
All right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle some feta in there. Ta-da! All right. That's good. All right, Mom. So that is the salad. So we're going to plate this up for you. Okay. I am going to plate up this delicious salmon. Ta-da! Does that look good?
Yeah, really.
Okay,
good.
Mom.
Looks wonderful.
Okay, so now beside of our beautiful salmon, we have a strawberry and spinach salad. Oh my goodness, does that not look amazing? Let's just.
Pretty amazing.
All right. Da-da. Okay, our meal is all ready, and we're hungry, so we're ready to eat. I really hope that you try this recipe. It's so delicious, and as always, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel. I'm uploading new recipes each week, and we've had fun today. Have you guys had fun being on my video? Okay. All right. Well, here's the moment of truth. We have to taste this. So here we go.
That's delicious.
Okay. Well, thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.